Hi, I'm Charles Baudet, the author of the best-selling book, The Ultra-Dry Basement, a basic guide to understanding and correcting foundation water problems, as well as the book, Got Mold, Now What? A basic guide to understanding and correcting mold in your home, and the inventor and developer of the new popular ozone engine series, and the Green Clean carpet and duct machine, which was recently developed for sterilizing ducts and carpeting, utilizing a chemical-free activated oxygen technique. And today I'm here with my good friend Paul McCann, who is a specialist in designing and cleaning duct systems, as well as a certified mold remediator, and I think he has a few other certifications under his belt. Paul, what are your qualifications?
Well, over the years I've managed to secure 12 different certifications for the eradication of mold, as well as a couple for cleaning duct systems, both from normal dust as well as from mold and so on. And I have a total of over 15 years in cleaning ductwork, as well as 16 years designing residential commercial heating and cooling systems.
I'd say that makes you uniquely qualified for today's discussion, Paul.
Better than most.
So today what we're going to talk about is some recent trends that have taken place in the duct cleaning industry. And I'd like to talk to Paul today about how ducts have been cleaned in the past, the recommendations that have been made by the National Association of the Duct Cleaners of America. I understand you've received some training from them.
Sure have.
And the current trends and how our new product, the Green Clean Carpet and Duct Machine, is going to literally revolutionize the face of duct sterilization in America today. So Paul, can you tell me a little bit about how ducts are typically cleaned and some of the revolutions that NADCA has and innovations that NADCA has introduced into the industry, and then the current trends towards the new chemical-free duct cleaning techniques?
You bet. Well, first of all, there's as many techniques for cleaning ductwork out there as I think there are duct cleaners to one degree or another. But the more thorough the duct cleaning, obviously, the better the results are going to be from the process. The cleaning is typically done with, at least we do it with rotary brushes and a vacuum that pulls almost 3,000 cubic feet of air per minute, along with the rotary brushes and the high pressure air, 185 psi. We're able to move the dirt from the registers all the way back down to the furnace, and then we clean the inside of the furnace complete.
So Paul, if I understand you correctly, what you're really doing is you're literally mechanically scrubbing the inside of the ducts physically clean.
Absolutely. We're literally scouring them out.
Oh, sort of like a bottle brush.
Yes, we use a silica carbide coated rotary brush, and if we let that sit in one spot in the ductwork for a couple minutes, it'll actually start to shine it up, kind of like steel wool.
Oh, wow, that's phenomenal. So, besides the physical cleaning, what other aspects are there to duct cleaning?
You have some areas where you're going to use a detergent with a good emulsifier to eliminate grease and things like that. But at the end, sanitizing used to be a big part of it for a lot of people. And basically, you'd leave the vacuum hooked up on the ductwork, and then you'd go around to each register or each grill and give it an 8 to 10 second shot of something like oxine, which would then be put in as a mist and pulled through the system, hopefully to help clear out bacteria. It is a system of metal overlapping metal. You're not going to get brushes in between those two pieces of metal. So the hope is that the mist would get in between and eliminate any bacteria colonies and things of that sort that might be there.
So if I understand you correctly, once you got the ducts mechanically scrubbed, the old protocol was to send a chemical agent down through the ducts, and what the end goal of that is to kill viruses or bacteria or mold spores that might still be clinging?
Yeah, it was commonly done, and you always had those that had their own thing to do, but that's what was commonly done. And oxine and chemicals like that were commonly used.